Hello, terceiro ano. How are you doing? Are you fine? Yes? Okay, so today is Monday and let's work a little bit. Today our class is fun. We are going to do something different. Do you like different things? I love doing different things. It's so nice. We are going to use our hands. We call hands-on activities. Let's check. Okay, so I want you to get your student's book and open it on page 55. Teacher is going to share with you, okay? So here it is, okay? Student's book, page 55. So look at this, activity number 1. Look at this picture, guys, in activity number 1. Look at this. What room is this? Is this a kitchen? Is this a living room? Or is this a bedroom? What room is this? Think a little bit. Yes, this is a living room. Look at it. Okay, this is a living room. This is not a kitchen and this is not a bedroom. It's a living room. So check a little bit more. Is it a real room? Is this a real living room? A real one? Like you can go watch TV and sit on the sofa? Yes or no? Think a little bit. No, it's not a real living room. This is we made this living room, okay, with paper, with some crafts, all right? Okay, but look at this living room. What can you see in this living room? What objects can you see? Look, there is a there is a TV, there is a table, there is a mat, flower, sofa, curtains. Is this a, it looks like a lion, right? Parece leãozinho. We don't know. I think it's an armchair. Look, it's beautiful, isn't it? So pay attention. In this activity, we are going to listen a tutorial how to make a room. It can be a kitchen, it can be a bedroom. Okay, it's a tutorial how to make it a room. Not a real room, of course, okay? And we are going to use some materials. We are going to use the main material is the shoebox. Look, it's a shoebox. Do you have a shoebox in your house? Go and check it out. We are going to use it. Teacher, I don't have it. If you don't have a shoebox, you can use a box. You can try use a box or only the cover of the box. Okay, so check it out what you have because we're going to make a room. Okay, so pay attention here. In activity number 1, they say listen to the tutorial and number the objects and the materials in the correct order. To make the room, what materials and objects are we going to use to make the room? Quais são os materiais? So check them out here. We have a shoebox, repeat, shoebox, okay? We have a shoebox. We have scissors. Sorry, guys. Let me share again with you. Something wrong happened. Okay, so we have the shoebox. We have the scissors, of course, because we are going to cut. But we have some fabric. What is fabric? Fabric é tecido. E, teacher, não tem um tecido, não. That's okay. That's okay. But in this case, they have some fabric to make the curtains. As cortinas. Olha que legal. Okay, to make the curtains. We have colored paper. Do you have some colored paper? If you don't have, have them, you can color the paper. Pode pintar o papel também. And some cardboard. Às vezes, vamos supor, a teacher vai usar shoebox, mas eu não vou precisar dessa parte aqui. Então, eu posso utilizar essa parte, porque ela é feita de papelão, cardboard, para fazer objetos. A TV, the sofa, ou eu posso fazer... Ah, teacher, mas eu quero fazer meu bedroom. Ok, então pode fazer a cama, the wardrobe, ok? So, these are some materials, ok? So, let's repeat one more time. We have the shoebox. We have the fabric, okay, que é tecido. We have colored paper and we have cardboard, okay? The cardboard, que é o papelão. What do you have to do? You're going to listen, okay, to the tutorial. And I want you number according what you hear. Which one is the first mentioned? Qual é o primeiro a ser mencionado? Shoebox? Fabric? Colored paper or cardboard? Você vai ouvir e vai colocar o number one. Qual foi o segundo que você ouviu? Vocês vão enumerar de acordo com o que vocês vão ouvir. A teacher vai mandar por áudio, tá? O tutorial, ok? Entendido aí? Então, vamos passar para a segunda parte. The second part is number 3. They say, complete the tutorial with the words from the box. Listen and check. You're going to listen again the tutorial. But in this case now, you're going to listen and complete the gaps here, okay? The gaps here, using the words from the box. So you're going to put them in the correct order according what you hear, de acordo com o que você ouvir, okay? So, step 1, take A, which word comes here? So you have to listen, all right? But now I'm going to tell you the best part. We are not going to do in class, okay? In our Zoom class, all right? Because it takes too long and I want you take your time to do it, né? Leva seu tempo para fazer. So in activity number 2, they say, create your own room in a box. Take a photo of your craft and glue it in the space below. Use your craft to play with your classmates too. We cannot play with our classmates. So what I want to do, after you learn how to make it because of this tutorial, after you watch, you listened, you heard the tutorial, depois que você ouviu, a gente vai, quem tiver a shoebox, uma caixa de sapato ou uma caixa, vai tentar fazer o seu. Olha que legal. Vai tentar fazer o seu room. Você pode fazer uma cozinha, ou você pode fazer uma sala, pode fazer um banheiro, ou pode fazer um quarto, tá? A teacher também vai tentar fazer aqui. Eu não vou falar qual é o room, não. Na próxima aula do nosso Zoom, a gente vai mostrar o nosso resultado. Pode ser assim? E aí, ali, ele pede para colocar uma foto. Mas não precisa. Se quiser tirar uma fotinha e revelar e colocar ali, show de bola. Mas se não quiser, só de mostrar para a teacher fica feliz, tá bom? Pode ser assim? Então, essa é a nossa aula. A teacher já está fazendo esse vídeo para antecipar. Mas se você não puder assistir o vídeo, a teacher vai dar essa aula na aula do Zoom também, tá bom? No nosso encontro marcado. Bye, bye, guys. Love you.